All right, what's up, YouTube? It's Pyro Days here. You feel me? I'm about to do my little 2021 Firework Stash. So as you can see right here, I got the one up. Everybody know what this one is. If you don't, you need to go get you one. Figure out what it is. Now it's playing salutes. I got the Don't Be a Hog. This is like a 36 shot cake, and I think like the last 5 are salutes. Dreamkeeper, 100 shot salute. Deep Ocean, 45 shots. Never had this one before. Pretty cool. 28 shots. Never had this one before. The Wonderland. It's dope as shit. All these fireworks I haven't even had before. I didn't get nothing I had last year. Got the Foul Play, 12 shots. This one right here. Fiery Fiesta. The Donald. The Destroyer, 80 shots. That big boy right there. I got 3 of the Kamikaze cakes, 25 shots. If you know, you know. 12 rockets. Got 3 pack of assortments. A small one. It's pretty cool. This one's pretty dope. I got sparklers, Home Gripper bottle rockets, M200 salutes, 3 things of Roma candles. Pretty cool assortment. Pink King Pyro, got this one last year. This one's pretty cool. I got a lot of good little shit up in there. That's not it. Got the triple play, 54 shots. It's a pretty dope cake. Can't wait to light this one. Got the Reaper Doom, 1000 firecracker roll. Infinite Willow, 9 shots. If you know, you know. Got the Miss Piggy, 19 shots. World Enemy. Never seen this one. I don't even think I know what it does. The homie picked this one up. Got the Don't Panic. Salutes. Cockeyed. This one is pretty hard. This one is 25 shots. It's like back and forth salutes. It's a color. Guerrilla Warfare, the hard hitter. Oh, that right here is a banger, boy. The High Off the Hog. I like this cake. High Fulton, not too much of a fan of this one. I just got it just to get it. I've been seeing it around. 25 shots, Aces. I don't think there's too many reviews on this on YouTube. I haven't found none. Can't wait to see what that one does. Then I got the 24 canisters, the Excalibur. You know, I think these are like the old ones. Yeah, I think it's 2019. The 6-inch extra large canister shells. I got this one, got a ring effect. Pretty dope. Reaper Doom. Supercharged. Pretty righteous one. And then this one is a let me pull this out real quick. It's just my Major League Pyro 5-inch titanium willow shells. This is a dope one. I've seen what these do. These are pretty dope. Some bangers. Yeah. Oh, I got this too. This right here. 5 shots. Are you kidding me? 2-inch. Pretty dope. Those all salutes. Got some Cannibal rockets. Salutes. You know, regular Roman candles. Oh, I got the big match over here. Can't forget about this one. Yes, sir. Oh, and I got some. If you know, you know. Got about like 10 of these motherfuckers. Got some other stuff too, but they all backed up. I'm not gonna pull them out. Yeah. 2021 Firework Stash. I got to show you guys this bad boy right here. Eclipse 260 shots, baby. Let's get it.